Okay, let's look at page 276. This is the last page. Okay, here we're talking about expressions and equations. Okay, let's read the top together. It says an expression is a combination of numbers, variables, and or operation signs. Expressions do not have an equal sign. An equation is made up of two equal quantities or expressions. An equal sign is used to show that the two sides are equal. Okay, these are some examples of equations that are equal. 8 equals 5 plus 3. We know that's true because if you add 5 and 3, you get 8. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 7 equals 7. So basically it's saying this side is equal to this side. Okay? This is equal to this. Okay? 3 plus 2 equals 5. And 5 equals 2 plus 3 because that also equals 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is also 4. So that's why these are equal. Okay, now down here, the is not equal to sign shows that the two quantities are not equal. 7 does not equal 5 plus 3 because 5 plus 3 equals 8 and 7 does not equal 8. 4 plus 2 is 6, so 6 does not equal 8. 7 does not equal 6. Same thing over here. 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5, so 4 does not equal 5. 5 plus 2 is 7, okay? And then 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 5. So 7 does not equal 5. Okay, down here, you're going to use the equal sign to write 4 equations. Vary how many numbers you have on each side of the sign. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example. Here are some examples up here that equal each other. So something like 9 equals 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, that equals because 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 equals 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay. You can also do 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, because 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 equals 10. So over here, I want you to write 2 more equations that equal. Okay, 2 more that equal each other. Okay, on the bottom, we're going to use the is not equal to sign to write 4 equations that do not equal on each side. Okay, so these are some examples up here. 7 does not equal 5 plus 3. 4 plus 2 does not equal 8. 7 does not equal 6. And these are some examples. So you can write your own over here. I'll give you 2 examples and then you're going to pause the video and write 2 more on your own. Maybe because you guys can come up with any answers. The answers will be very different from what I am giving you. Okay, so let's write one together. Okay, let's say 10 does not equal 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, because we know 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9, so 10 does not equal 9. Okay, let's write another one. 3 plus 5 does not equal 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 does not equal 2 plus 2 plus 2 because that equals 6. Okay, now go ahead and pause the video and write 2 more on your own. And then unpause it and we will continue on to the rest of the problems. Okay, so number 12, it says, write a number to make the number sentence true. 60 equals a number plus 90, okay? So we have to find what number we can add to 90 to equal 60. One way you can do it is you can take the total and subtract one of the addends, okay? So I can do 60 minus 90, okay? 0 minus 0 is 0. I can't do 6 minus 9, so I will have to borrow. Okay, now there's 0 and 16. So what is 16 minus 9? Okay, 16 minus 9 equals 70. So I know this answer is 70. Okay. Number 13, it says 30 plus a number does not equal 120. So we don't want it to equal 120. So here I can put any number except for 90, because if I put 30 plus 90, that will equal 120. So you can write any number here except for 90. So I'm just going to write 20, because 30 plus 20 equals 50, and 50 does not equal 120. Okay? 70 plus 20. What does 70 plus 20 equal? Okay, 70 plus 20, you can do it in your head, or you can do it right here. 7, 8, 10 equals 90. So 20 plus what number is going to equal 90? So this one you can see it's just switched around. So my answer is going to be 70. Okay. Number 15, 150 minus a number equals 70. Okay, so you could, again, subtract it. Okay, I'm going to subtract 70 from 150 and see what I get, and that will be my answer right here. 0 and 15 minus 7. Okay, so let's just count up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, I got 8. So I know this over here is 80. 150 minus 80 equals 70. Now number 16, blank does not equal 140 minus 70. Okay, so here we first have to figure out what is 140 minus 70. To do that, we can subtract 70 from 140. Okay, let's just go ahead and do that. So I know 14, where I have to borrow because I can't subtract 4 from 7, 7 from 4. So let's borrow. 14 minus 7 is 7. So I know I can use any number in this box except for 70, because if I put 70 here, that's going to be equals to each other. So I can use any number here except for 70, because 140 minus 70 equals 70. So I can just put 30. So you can add any number except for 70. Okay. Number 17. Let's see. 60 minus 20. Okay, what is 60 minus 20? Let's go ahead and figure it out, so we know what this side equals. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 2, I can do that. Okay, it is 40. Okay, so I know this side equals 40. So here I have 10 plus 10 plus something does not equal 40. Okay, so I can, over here, use any number except for 20. Because if I put a 20 here, I have 10 plus 10, that's 20. 20 plus 20 will equal 40. So I can use any number in this box except for a 20. So I can even do 21, okay? So now this side equals 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 21 is 41. This side equals 41, and this side equals 40, so therefore they don't equal. 40 does not equal 41, okay? Now here we're going to write equal or not equal to make a true number statement, okay? So I have here 80 plus 20 plus 40. What is 80 plus 20 plus 40? Okay, so 80 plus 20, I'm going to do it here on the side. Oh, there you go. 80 plus 20 equals 100. 100 plus 40 equals 140. So I know this side equals 140. And 90 plus 50, okay, that also equals 140. So I am going to put an equal sign here. They both equal the same number. Okay, here I have 80 and 60 minus 20. So what is 60 minus 20? Okay, 60 minus 20 is 40. Does 80 equal 40? No, so I'm going to put a not equal to sign. Okay, and here I have 70 on this side and 40 plus 30. What is 40 plus 30? Okay, 40 plus 30 also equals 70. So these two sides are equal. Okay, there you go. Now after this, I want you to go on Think Central, and I will put a lesson, PMT lesson 5-1. I want you to complete that. And you should also do 20 minutes of Dreambox. Remember, your goal for the week is to be doing 8 to 10 lessons. And I will be checking that. And I'll be sending you guys a report of how many lessons you have completed. Okay? See you next time. Bye.